Would you believe that something as ordinary as peanut butter could become a $281 million empire? I mean, let that sink in. A single bar of simple, sticky spread transformed from a kitchen curiosity into a legendary success story. This isn't just about peanuts and almonds, it's about daring to dream, taking risks, and finding unexpected treasures in the most ordinary moments. Think of a young entrepreneur by the name of Justin standing in his tiny kitchen in Boulder, Colorado, armed with nothing but a blender and a stubborn desire to redefine what peanut butter could be. 20 years ago, peanut butter options were about as exciting as watching paint dry, just smooth or crunchy. Yet, Justin dared to believe that nut butter could evolve beyond the standard shelf, that it could spark delight, curiosity, and maybe even a cult following. If you have ever felt like you had nothing special to offer, or worried that your idea was too ordinary, keep watching, because this story proves that there's magic hiding in the everyday. Justin began by blending peanuts, almonds, and all kinds of surprising flavors. Cinnamon for warmth, bananas for sweetness, and even a spicy kick of sriracha. But here's the problem. His roommates devoured his experimental jars before he could even finish tweaking the recipes. So he scribbled his name on those jars, Justin's, and that simple act planted the seed for a brand that would one day shake up the entire nut butter industry. It's often in these casual, unintended moments that big dreams get their first breath of life. Boulder, Colorado turned out to be Justin's secret weapon, a hub trimming with natural food pioneers and supportive entrepreneurs. Surrounded by trailblazers, Justin realized he wasn't alone, that others had done the impossible and he could too. He hit the farmers market, talking directly to customers, hearing their raw reactions to every flavor. He watched which jars emptied first, which sparks smiled, and which fell flat. This real-world feedback became his compass, guiding him toward a product line that tasted like possibility and felt like home. One day, mid-bike ride, Justin stared at his sticky energy gel and thought, why not peanut butter in a squeeze pack? That single question birthed a game-changing innovation, the world's first nut butter squeeze pack, a convenient on-the-go protein source. With a borrowed $75,000 and an old machine, he transformed the market by making nut butter portable, breaking away from the tired norm of plain jars on shelves. This risk was huge. This idea was radical, but it catapulted Justin's brand into new territory, catching the eye of big retailers worldwide. Just like Justin found tools to amplify his vision, entrepreneurs today can leverage solutions that streamline growth. This video is sponsored by Xena Intelligence, a platform that helps brands optimize their online presence, make smart, data-driven decisions, and turn small ideas into big wins. With Xena Intelligence, emerging businesses gain insights that guide them from just another product to a must-have sensation in a crowded marketplace. Soon, Justin's squeeze packs earned shelf space in beloved grocery chains and demand soared. He expanded beyond nut butters to chocolate nut butter cups, doubling down on creativity and flavor. By 2015, sales hit $50 million a year, proving that starting in a cramped kitchen could lead to unstoppable momentum. Think about that for a second. Every time you find yourself hesitating, remember what happens when you trust your instinct and go all in. Then came the offer no one could have imagined. Food giant Hormel wanted Justin's for $281 million. At first, Justin said no. It was too soon, too unexpected. But as time passed, he reconsidered, and there was one condition: keep the business in Boulder, protect his people, preserve the soul of what he built. Hormel agreed, honoring the community and culture made Justin's special. In that moment, it wasn't just a sale, it was a validation that authenticity, heart, and vision matter in a world of big deals and bigger dollars. Justin will tell you he was lucky. The timing and place had everything to do with his success. But luck only shows up for those who keep showing up themselves, those who grind nuts and when others sleep, who test flavors and ask tough questions. True opportunity emerges when you dare to disrupt a sleepy category and pour your soul into something as simple as peanut butter. That's what sets this story apart. It reminds us that greatness can spring from the most unexpected corners. So ask yourself, what ordinary thing in your life could you elevate into something extraordinary? Maybe it's a craft hobby, a family recipe, or a small idea you've been afraid to share. Because if Justin could turn basic nut butter into a $281 million sensation, what could you do with your spark of innovation? So let's spread the word, tag someone who needs a reminder that simple ideas can lead to world-changing outcomes. Let's celebrate each other's dreams together, because at the end of the day, we all deserve to feel seen, to feel hopeful, and to believe that even the most commonplace idea can become something beyond our wildest imagination.